If the iOS 27 developer beta is not appearing on your iPhone, follow these steps to fix the issue. Start by opening the Settings app and make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Next, go to VPN settings and disconnect any active VPN connection, as it can sometimes interfere with beta update availability. After that, open the App Store and search for the Apple Developer app. Download and install it if you haven't already. Once installed, launch the app, tap on Account, and sign in using the same Apple ID that you use on your iPhone. When you're done, restart your device. After the restart, go back to Settings greater than General greater than Software Update. Tap Beta Updates, and you should see the iOS 27 Developer Beta option available. Keep in mind that new developer beta releases may take around 20 to 30 minutes to appear after Apple officially rolls them out. If you don't see the update immediately, wait a little while and check again. Once the beta update becomes available, you'll be able to download and install iOS 27 Developer Beta on your iPhone.